Good Thursday morning, it's Loudoun County weather outlook. It is going to be a milder day as we head through the day. The fog's going to burn off some, but we should get up near 50 degrees today. Pretty mild. That's before cold air returns for tomorrow. Maybe some wintry mix on Saturday, but good chances of good amount of rain for Saturday, Sunday. Then the cold air returns next week. We'll have to see what happens around Wednesday next week. You'll see that there is some storminess coming our way. We'll have to see if it comes true. So here we go. This is us today. Here we are. The fronts come through. The winds are still around. Ooh, wait a minute. This is not today. I was like, something doesn't look right. Sorry about that. So this was earlier this morning. So that's when the showers were still around, but they've moved on out. We're going to get breezy today, but still pretty warm. Like I said, around 50 degrees. And then as we move forward, cold air settles in for tomorrow. So we're on the east side of a high. Tight isobars, so it's going to be breezy conditions and chilly on Friday. Definitely blustery, cool day. But then that high starts to relieve it, release some of the coldness. But it doesn't move out fast enough so that we could see a mixture of some snow and sleet and rain on Saturday, as well as even some freezing rain. We'll have to see how cold it really gets and how strong the cold air holds. Regardless, it will warm up, and so we'll turn over to rain. And like I said, it's a pretty good set of rain because we get both the warm front overrunning part of the precipitation and then rain here on Sunday. And then that moves through, and then really blustery winds and colder weather settles in for us next week. These are tight isobars. This is blustery conditions, much colder conditions as we head into next week. Temperatures will be pretty much in the low to mid 30s. Every day, and then we're watching this storm system as it comes out from the southwest here and moves east and starts to get some energy associated with it and moisture from the Gulf. How far south and then southeast does it go is a big question. Now, part of this, the reason why it's being suppressed down the south, is this high is so strong to the west of us, and it's all about timing on these systems as whether or not we would get snow into the region. I thought it looked a little better in the last couple runs, but now the trough axis of where this low pressure system is going is a little further east, so we'll have to see if it comes true. Regardless, we stay cold all next week. You see that all the way through Friday. Then finally, maybe as the high gets to the east of us, we start to see a little bit of relaxing, and then we're kind of like back into the battle between cooler and warmer. And then honestly, to me, it looks like we could have a warming trend as we head towards the end of the month. I mean, we're going to get out of the wintry time to where we only have like little shots of cold and maybe a chance of some mixtures or some snow or whatever, and then we're done. So I think next week may be the last chance we see of a good snowstorm. So I'm hoping that it happens as a personal snow lover, but we'll have to see. So that's kind of what we see here over the next couple of days. How much rain will we? Quite a bit, between 1 and 2 inches probably, and that's good. We do need it. We're still in a drought. I mean, this snow obviously helps us to keep the ground moisture wet, so we're good, but the deep moisture and the rain and the streams and the groundwater are still pretty dry. As a matter of fact, we do have the latest drought monitor today, and here we see we're still remaining in this moderate drought in the area, and honestly, I mean, even though we're going to get maybe an inch or two of rain, we're going to need a lot more rain to head into the spring, so we're not in bad shape as we get ready for warmer weather. So let's hope that we can get some turnaround and keep the ground moist so that we can keep our grass and all our plants really good here as we head into the spring. And that's pretty much what I have today for the Loudoun Weather Outlook. And obviously, as we get more model data about next week, we'll definitely be updating over the Facebook page. And thank you for joining.